Welcome to DBSync platform. This is your centralized platform for building, managing, and scaling data integrations across all your business systems. To get started, DBSync personalizes your workspace based on your role and the applications you use. Now, select the applications that are part of your data ecosystem. This could include CRM platforms, accounting systems, databases, or any other application that supports your business. We prepare your workspace and bring you to the main dashboard, a unified view of all your connected systems and integration assets. We provide recommended templates based on your selected applications. These templates help accelerate integration setup for common business scenarios. Select the template that supports your business case, like the IT, sales, order to cash, etc. For this demo, start by installing the Salesforce to QuickBooks order to cash template. Once installed, it opens right in a modal. The first tab is your Launchpad. It walks you through the template with clear documentation and a video demo, everything you need to get up and running quickly. Next, head to Connect. Authenticate your Salesforce and QuickBooks accounts here. This links your source and target systems for the integration. The Setup tab is where you configure your field mappings. It's a simple form-based questionnaire, no technical expertise required. Just pick your transaction type and fill in the details. Once ready, hit Run. The template executes in real time and shows you a live log so you can see exactly what's happening as it syncs. Finally, set it and forget it. DBSync gives you flexible scheduling options. Run your integration on any interval that fits your business. With an intuitive interface and powerful backend capabilities, DBSync enables faster integration with minimal effort. On the Flow Designer page, DBSync's Visual Workflow Builder. This is the engine room of your cloud integration. The main canvas shows the workflow broken into numbered sequential flow steps, each representing a discrete integration operation. At the bottom of the screen is the console panel, a real-time execution log showing every step as it runs. You can see live API calls being made to the QuickBooks endpoint, with full request URLs and other process details. And that's how you set up, run, and schedule a data integration template in just a few minutes, without any technical expertise. Now let's go back to the task page for Replication Flow Configuration. We bring together both cloud workflows and replication under one unified interface, where you can automate both tasks side by side. DBSync Hosted, a single, fully cloud-based platform that brings together cloud workflow integrations and replication in one place, with no installation, no agents, and no infrastructure overhead. The replication bot handles the heavy lifting of schema mapping, incremental updates, and delta tracking, all without writing a single line of code. The Source app screen prompts you to select your replication source. Select the source connector you want to replicate from. Once a source is selected, set up your target database where you want to move your data and go to the Objects page. After saving the source connection, the Objects panel loads all available Salesforce objects. The list populates automatically. Clicking Clean Copy triggers a modal dialog. Starting replication job, allocating backend resources. This may take a few moments before the replication job begins. This confirms that DBSync's hosted infrastructure is dynamically provisioning the compute resources needed to run this replication, all handled server-side, with nothing required on the user's machine. The Logs tab gives you a clear view of everything that's happening with your replication. You can see each process, the command it ran, how much data was processed, its status, start time, and duration. Click Details to drill down further. It breaks down each object, accounts, contacts, and more, showing the progress, records synced, and how long each one took. To receive a particular task's update, head over to the Notification tab. Choose Email as your channel, and simply check when you'd like to be notified, when the process starts, completes, or if there's an error. You can add the primary recipient's email ID. Also, add your team members as recipients so everyone stays in the loop. Hit Save, and that's it. From onboarding an app connection to project management, visual flow design, replication configuration, email notifications, and real-time log monitoring, everything runs directly in your browser, backed by DBSync's managed cloud infrastructure. With an intuitive interface and powerful back-end capabilities, DBSync enables faster integration with minimal effort.